many similarities. Like I said, I have delved into my own personality a lot to develop Avni's, but then there are a few things that are not similar. Like I know that if someone like an Aman, if I was 22, 23, and someone like an Aman had come into my life, I wouldn't give it so much thought. I would go ahead, I would dive in head first. Then I'd be like, yes, okay, whatever you are, this is great. She's a lot more guarded. She thinks and rethinks and rethinks and rethinks a lot. So that I didn't relate to her on that at all. But other than that, I think the internal dialogue is very similar. The internal monologue. I mean, it's also fiction. But having said that, she speaks about how her grandmother's friend had a rundown flat sitting with cobwebs, and there was barely anything in an old building, so that she got for peanuts. She also takes she walks it to the bookstore. She takes a taxi every now and then, and stuff like that. And yeah, I mean, I didn't really sit down and do monthly ration and like prices for Avni for everything, but it's fiction. I felt like it was a beautiful life. Again, that's where the aspiration comes in, right? Like I wish I was living in Mumbai in a small flat with a small balcony and 20 plants, and I would go work at a bookstore. You know, that is where it came from. It didn't really come out, would she be a poor for? मैं उतनी होशियार तो मैं हूँ ही नहीं. No, nothing. Vishank and Aman are not the same. The only thing similar between them is that they both have brown eyes and dimples, because I have a thing for brown eyes and dimples. But beyond that, personality-wise, nothing. No, I planned everything. So I knew exactly what I had to do so I wouldn't get any surprises. So nothing real, thank God. Nothing really. We were just told by a lot of our married friends that the bride and groom usually don't get to have so much fun at their own wedding. They get very tired. So I was expecting that. I didn't expect us to have so much fun. We had a lot of fun. We have properly partied and eaten a lot of food, and we've gotten our sleep, and we've chilled, and we've had conversations and everything. So it was a lot of fun, and I was hoping that would happen, and it did. I think I've always been very clear about how much I want to share. It was never कि करना है कि नहीं करना है, because I have put myself out there. So I always had proper control on how much I'm sharing, especially when it came to the privacy of the people in my life. So that was always clear. So that didn't become too much of a hassle. And tips for couples, I genuinely think it's different for different people. I also know couples who find a lot of joy in putting everything out and sharing it with their viewers. कि चलो हमने आज ये बनाया, छोटी छोटी चीजें, बड़े बड़े milestones. I think it really depends on each couple. It really is what works for you and your partner. Future projects. I mean, I was real. This is the first project that's coming out after I've come back to work after the chutti for the wedding. So I'm very excited for the audiobook on Audible. I will be working on one more book, so that starts soon. I'm shooting 2 shows, and I have a show on Prime Video that should release hopefully sometime soon. I don't know yet when that is, but it's called Andhera, and it's a supernatural thriller. It's very different from anything I've done, and I'm very excited for my first show on Prime Video, no? Yeah. I think impact bhi zyada ho rahe hain. And this was inevitable also because the more consumers you get on the platform, the more reactions you're going to have to everything. आज की डेट में इंडिया दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डिजिटल इकोनॉमी है फॉर अ रीज़न. हमारे कंट्री में जितनी डाइवर्सिटी है ऑफ ऑनलाइन यूजर्स, या जितना एक्सेसिबल और अफोर्डेबल इंटरनेट है, आई मीन दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. द मोर पीपल दैट कम ऑनलाइन आर गोइंग टू हैव वेरिड ओपिनियंस एंड एक्सप्रेशंस हैपनिंग. सो हाँ, हो रहा है, बट आई थिंक it is it is a rite of passage only, I think. I also think कि ये हमेशा से ही रहा है. Now people just have a platform to express it. I mean पहले भी अगर आप इसको एकदम छोटे स्केल पे भी अगर देखें, then there were articles that were being printed that people used to rage against, or there were opinions that were told that people used to. So I think that has always been a reaction that has been there around us. Now people just have a voice and a platform to put it on. बस थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी सर. उन्हीं के भरोसे जितना भी हो रहा है, इफ आई हैव द गट्स टुडे टू एक्चुअली even try newer things and put myself out there, it's only because of their faith or their like unwavering support. So मैं बस thank you बोलना चाहूँगी.